Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing a coffee from Square Mile Coffee Roasters. They're in London in the United Kingdom. The reason I picked this coffee was I visit James Hoffman's YouTube page quite often. I'm a fan of his, and if you don't know who James Hoffman is, he won the 2007 Barista World Championship, and he has a coffee channel on YouTube, just like this one. But anyway, looks like a fairly light roast. Let's get a roast right number on here. First, we're just going to do a regular roast rating, then we're going to profile out the interior by grinding it. Let's get it leveled out. We have a roast level of 75 for this coffee. You know, while we're at it, all great coffees drink such great water. So let's get our and okay, let's let it warm up. Let's get this out of our way. I like using a stainless steel filter, no paper. You don't get any paper taste. I have 25 grams of coffee here. Oh, nice sweet smell. It has a very nice smell to it. Beautiful. Okay, let's make some coffee. Just pour a little bloom. Okay, we have about 10 ounces of water there, so that should be good enough. Okay, we're looking good. It's been about 3 minutes. Nice color to it. Nice aroma. I can smell the butterscotch. So sweet, very sweet smell. Let's give it a little taste. Oh, very nice even coffee. I can sort of taste the cherry in there. Beautiful smell. I love the butterscotch smell to this coffee. Very good. just so you know, I'm gonna post my complete scorecard of this coffee at the end of the video, so stick around to the end. So let's see how it does under some cold brewing. Okay, I'm going to take the same grind, kind of a coarse grind. I'm going to do 75 grams. Let's go to 75 grams. Okay, I got 75 grams of kind of coarsely ground coffee. Put it here in my okay, lid on. Throw some water in there. Okay, we're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for about 20 hours, and we'll get back to this by the end of the video, and I'll let you know how it is. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this is called Red Brick Espresso, so let's get down to it and make an espresso. Okay, got myself a 18 gram double shot. I'd like to give it about 20 pounds, a little twist. Beautiful. Really nice crema. Lots of nice separation there. Oh, very sweet. I can smell the almonds and cherries now. And the butterscotch. Extremely smooth. Very low on the bitterness. Not much bitterness at all. I can definitely taste the cherries. Oh, marvelous. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this espresso if you like that kind of taste. Okay. Hi, it's been about 24 hours. We have our ice brewed coffee ready. Nice color. It's really nice. It's almost like a sweet tea. I like it. It's a very good cold brew. Anyway, it's been about 24 hours I've had this coffee. For me, it's kind of a mild, it's on the mild side. It has a really nice, sweet acidity to it, you know, the notes of cherry. I would say this coffee's good for like drinking with like a dessert or drinking like with ice cream. I would probably really like it. In terms of an espresso, it's kind of a mild espresso for me. I like something a little more bolder, a little more complex. This is a 2-bean blend. I would normally go for like or make my own self a 3 or 4-bean blend when I'm making espresso. But definitely a good coffee. For my complete scorecard and rating, it'll be right at the end of this. And before I go, I want to give a shout out to Tanya N for being my first Patreon. So thank you, Tanya. And I'll see you on the next video.